Good morning. Good morning. It is Saturday. The time is 20 past 12. 20 past 12. I just finished getting written. Well, technically, I'm still not done because I still have to get dressed. But that is the only thing that I'm left with. I'm just waiting on my husband, and then as soon as he gets home, we gonna go somewhere. There's like a couple of things that we need to do. So yeah, guys, that is what is happening. So I thought in the meantime, I might as well take this opportunity to actually open up this new vlog. So yeah, guys, if you see this face for the first time, my name is Maggie Mohoto. If you are returning Savi, thank you so much for your continued support. I really and truly appreciate it. As I've mentioned, guys, it's Saturday and I need to get dressed quickly so that by the time my husband gets home, I am done. I'm not even sure how far he is. He's actually at work. And I don't know why I'm speaking like he has already knocked off. He's on his way home. No, that's not the case. He still has not knocked off. Well, at least he has not said anything. But I want to be ready, like done, so that when he gets home, we can just quickly go and come back. I have a bit of a predicament, guys, in terms of my outfit. I've already decided, oh, this is the bag. Despite of whatever is happening here, this is the bag that I'm going to be carrying. Because then I am, if you know me, you know that I'm a mini bag type of a person. But with this one, as much as it's a small bag, I'm actually able to fit both my phones, my wallet, pocket tissues, lip gloss, everything that you can think of, like small little things in here and still fit my husband's two phones and his wallet. So yeah, hence I'm saying, oh, this is the bag that I'm going to take. Apart from the bag, here's my situation. I am struggling with deciding which outfit to go for. So I'm gonna show you guys both options and then hopefully I will make up my mind. Whichever outfit I'm going to go for, these are the shoes that I am going to be wearing. These are the shoes. I'm going to be wearing this boots from the boots are from Woolies. Yes, the boots are from Woolies. So yeah, the bag and the shoes are sorted. And then probably yes, definitely whatever situation I end up with here, I will be wearing a stocking with that because both outfits are going to work with the stocking. I just have a problem deciding which one. The first outfit. Let me just turn this inside out. Oh, yo. Okay, the first outfit is this sweater with this skirt. This is what I'm thinking. See now, shades of brown. So yeah, this is what I'm thinking in terms of the first outfit. The sweater is from Pick and Play Clothing, and the skirt is Fushini. Then option number two is this dress. It is this baby doll dress in a color black and white. This dress, I've had it since I think it was either 2021 or 2022 when I bought the dress early, early. But I realized oh, I've only worn the dress one time. I only wore the dress one time. I think maybe like a couple of weeks, if not a month or two after I bought it, I wore it. And that was the first and the last time I wore the dress. Why? I do not know, honestly. I don't have a valid reason. But good thing God, I kept the dress and I fitted it the other time. I don't know if you guys remember the vlog where we were traveling to, remember the vlog where I was traveling to Grahamstown for work? I packed this dress in, and that was after I don't know what I was looking for in my cupboard, and then I found the dress. So I washed it, fitted it, it still fits. It still fits. So I took the dress when we were going to Grahamstown because I thought, in case of like maybe if it's a formal-ish dinner, I was gonna wear the dress, but it was not even a formal dinner. But I thought I was gonna wear the dress to dinner, but I ended up not even wearing the dress. So yeah, it is that dress. It's this, like I said, a black and white baby doll dress, and it is long sleeved with a high neck. The dress is also from Foschini. So yeah, guys, I really cannot make up my mind. But I think what I'm gonna do now is once again, I'm going to wear the first outfit and see how I feel about it. Then wear the second one, and then maybe that will help me make a decision. But yeah, let us quickly get dressed so that when Habi gets home, we can just go, guys. I will definitely try and show you guys the outfit of the day once I'm done and I've decided on an outfit. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Um, so guys, I eventually decided to go with the brown outfit. Let me just move backwards a little bit so you guys can see the full fit. This is what the full outfit looks like. So yeah, guys, this is my fit. Hadi's gonna be home in the next couple of minutes. He just called to confirm he's on his way. So I will definitely be seeing you guys on the flip side. If I can, depending on the situation of where we're going, I might be vlogging. If not, then I will see you probably when I come back. But yeah, guys, this is my outfit for today. Bye.
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation.
Hi guys, morning. Good morning. It's Thursday and I'm off to work. I'm actually running a bit late. Guys, I have an event tomorrow. I've got a work event tomorrow. And I've never been this stressed about an outfit, honestly. I had an idea of what I wanted to wear, but now I find myself going back and forth between ideas in terms of outfit. But yeah, I just basically wanted to come on here and just to touch base, just to check in with you guys, I last spoke to you the other day. I don't remember when was it on Saturday? I think so. I think it was on Saturday. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys are still doing well. I hope you guys are still enjoying the vlog. I will not be talking to you, unfortunately, any during the course of today. I know it's Thursday, like I said. And yeah, we will most probably catch up again tomorrow, guys. Bye. Guys, stress is like I see on another level. I can't even focus, like honestly. Just when I thought of her, I was in a full work mode. An email just came through regarding the event that I was telling you guys what I have to attend Hosani. I'm sitting, and my stress just shot up the like literally out of the roof. It just shot out of the roof, like honestly. And I feel like I know I had said I was not gonna get time to talk to you, because honestly I really don't have time. I'm quite busy, but I feel like if I didn't take this moment to actually speak to you guys, I have never been this stressed out an outfit. Like honestly, nothing is coming to my mind, because all the ideas I thought or I had, honestly I feel like they're not working. So I literally have to start from scratch, from ground zero, go look in my wardrobe of what is there, what I can pair with what, and create what out of what type of a situation. Yo, I'm so stressed out, guys. I'm so stressed out. Happy. Someone might actually think, oh, now why did I leave everything to the last minute? I didn't. Honestly, I'm one person who I cannot function at the last minute. So I did not leave it to the last minute. I just, yeah. Yo. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. So if you guys do see me tomorrow morning, outfit and I look like a clown and I don't look presentable, to leave the house, just know because I've never been this stressed out. Get an outfit. Like honestly, I've never ever been this stressed out before. Get outfit. Yo. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but hopefully something will give. I don't know, honestly, because how when I'm taking I can, like literally from the tip of my fingers, I can think of it will make sense, because all the outfits that I'm thinking Nui and Hadi, nothing is coming together, guys. I can get rolling and then actually get back to work. I will talk to you guys again tomorrow. Guys, I don't know why I'm always doing this to myself. Honestly, I don't know why I'm always doing this to myself. If Linkutla happy, like second guessing myself or questioning myself, Lintipe, because what is this? What is this, guys? I did manage to pull up an outfit. I did manage to pull out an outfit, and to think, okay, this was the intended outfit to begin with. However, the only thing I changed was when I was thinking of it, I was thinking because it's cold, still, I was gonna wear a coat. But then my mistake, I think, was I did not like try on the clothes. I just put together the outfit in my head and didn't do it like in practicality to see how I was going to like it or where I can tweak it and so forth. So hence I've been stressing so much. You guys know yesterday, you guys know I was stressing so much about today's outfit. But yeah, we did it. We managed to pull it off. Like seriously, I feel like sometimes I take my own capabilities for granted. And I say my own capabilities for granted because obviously capabilities in terms of dressing myself, not anybody else but myself. So yeah, guys, that's what I mean. If you ever hear me second guessing myself again when it comes to putting together an outfit, lintipe, lintipe. So yeah, guys, we do have an outfit for today's event. Did I even tell you what? I don't think so. I don't think I told you. So I am attending a women's breakfast. It's a yearly event that they have at work, but for me, this is my first time attending. So yeah, it is a Women's Month anyway. So it's an every year August thing whereby they do this event to honor the women and stuff. So yeah, that's where we're going. Hence the outfit. But yeah, guys, this is my fit for the day. Like I said, we managed to pull it together. The jacket is exact, and then just paired it with the white shirt and a black tie, zipped up the jacket, and then my skirt is true. It's my boots. You guys already know they are from Woolies. So yeah, guys, and because I'm wearing black, mainly I'm going to be carrying a black bag. So yeah, guys, this is my fit for the day. Um, it is I think around 10 past 6. We actually getting ready. We have to leave the house now by 6:30. So Happy can drop me off and still go about his day as well. So yeah, guys, I will catch up with you guys later on. Hey guys, um, hi, good morning. Good morning. I don't know why I'm laughing, honestly. But you guys remember the other day I was caught between two outfits and I couldn't really decide which one to go. And then eventually, after trying both of them on, which both were working, I eventually decided to go with the brown outfit for that particular day. So today I'm wearing the other outfit that I didn't wear that day, the black and white dress. And then this is what the fit looks like. Love it so much. And because of we are stepping out and like I said, it's still in the morning. I think the time is now like around 5 past 10 past 8, somewhere there. So yeah, because it's still in the morning and it's still very chilly and I know where we're going. It's also like cold because we're probably gonna be sitting in there for like a while ish. Decided that I'm going to be putting on this jacket. I felt like the black one was working, but it was just blending in with the coat. This one kind of like stands out, gives that pop of color. So yeah, I'm going to be going with this red um cropped jacket from Fushini, also like an old purchase. So yeah, guys, let me put on the jacket. You guys can see the idea. You see, guys, this is what I meant. The red one just kind of like stands out, unlike the black one that was just blending with the outfit. So yeah, this is my fit for today. And yeah, as I mentioned, we are stepping out of the house. First stop is I need to go to a doctor and get a new referral because on Tuesday I've got an appointment with my dermatologist. So I'm going to my GP now to get a new referral. And then from there on, we need to go to the shops because there's like a couple of things that we need to buy for the house so yeah, guys, we are still in the process of making this house a home, so we're getting a couple of things for the house with my husband. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I will check you guys later. Hey guys, hi. So hubby is done, and as you guys can see, I'm already in the car. We are about to go. He's just prepping the food for the dog, so at least then we know they are sorted while we go about our day. I've got my tea and I also have my husband's coffee. So yeah, we are good to go. We are good to go. Let me put this in here. We are good to go, guys. Hey Luna, I forgot to tell you about yesterday's event. It was so nice. What a great experience, honestly. Like what an amazing experience just to be in the presence of other ladies and just just kick back and relax for a bit. It was like truly incredible. I really enjoyed. So yeah, and I felt horror all this time because the other time I was invited, I declined the invite because I had training that I needed to do, work stuff still, and then I couldn't go. So yeah, this was my first time, but I honestly felt horror. I had been missing out, honestly. But yeah, it was indeed incredible. Just also like seeing how everybody was looking nice and fly. Wow. Skabana batho mosebetsing batho ba modimo la banyatsa. Like skala ba bona mosebetsing la banyatsa, because sometimes it's just the thing of you are so in a rush in the morning, like you're just putting on together or whatever you can put on just to look okay so you can leave the house. But once they say horror event, they put the tech event on a thing, People dress up, eh? People do dress up. So yeah, guys. Okay, my husband is coming. So we're gonna go now. But yeah, as I was saying, yesterday was incredible. I really honestly enjoyed myself, and I'm glad the whole outfit situation got sorted out and it didn't even became a thing that ruined my day. No, I'm so glad. But the event was actually from 8:30 to 8:30 to 11, and immediately after that everybody had to go back to their offices. It was time for work, and then we did that. But the nice thing is, even after that, we were still given time to knock off early. So yesterday I knocked off at 3:30, and so proud of myself to say that everything that I needed to do was done. So yeah, that was yesterday, guys. Let us go get the day started. Let us go get the day started, guys. I will catch up with you. Guys, we just finished. Well, we just finished. Go DIY. We came. Well, I went to a doctor as I had said, but I couldn't vlog. It was so dark. The power was off, and then I needed to get a new referral and also the authorization number. I didn't get because, like I said, they were offline. So they're gonna email that to me when they get it. And then Monana, we came to check out some few things because it was actually my husband is the one who suggested that we come here, but I understood why once we got inside. It made sense. We need to buy bathtubs and couldn't find them here. So now we off to CTM. Guys, we are back home. I think we've been back for a little over 40 minutes now. So yeah, I quickly changed and then got into my gown. I'm just sitting on my bed, honestly. We did manage to get everything that we had intended to get today. I think I was not, maybe I didn't explain in detail the reason why we needed to we needed to get the bathtubs. So we got the 2 bathtubs and then the basins, 4 of them. Reason being, like I had mentioned, we are still in the process of getting this house, making it a home. So that's what we're doing, but we are not actually starting with the project as of yet. However, we are already getting the material ready so that by the time we say we are ready to start the project, we don't still need to spend on buying material and stuff. So yeah, I'm so sorry if you guys can hear that beeping sound. It's coming from the outside. You might have picked up on my videos, there was still a heap of whatever, yamobu, a pile, yamobu, or heap, yamobu. that is still like outside Kojarting, and how it came about was the level, yeah, the ground. We felt it was too high, so when they took it down, we felt it was too high, and then the foundation of the house was actually suffocating. And then when they like took it down by well, when they whatever, so how about you said class, that's where that heap of whatever came from, heap of rubble came from. So yeah, we are getting rid of that as well. That is where the beeping is coming from. The truck, it will move that heap. We're not sure if you're gonna be able to get everything out in one day, or if maybe we can do what we can do today, and then they might have to come back for the rest some other time. But yeah, that is what is happening. Wanga says you're in my vlog. That is just my husband. So yeah, that is what is happening. And then, as I was saying, in terms of the bathtub, so we bought the bathtubs, and then we also bought the basins from CTM. And before we actually went to immediately after what we did was also to go to what's this place? OK Finisher, because I needed to buy a washing machine. Nothing fancy, just a simple old school twin tub, because I needed something that was going to be functional in a sense. One, so I needed something that I will be able to wash a blanket in. I know I could have still gotten a modern top loader, but I didn't want to get that, because also that machine it's not the only machine that we're gonna have. We are eventually, when we finally, like at some point when we have a kitchen, when we have the unit that we say, okay, the kitchen is done, we are eventually going to buy a front loader. But for now, I needed something that would be functional for me, so hence the washing machine that we got. So we got that as well from OK Furniture. It still has not been delivered. I'm not sure when that is going to happen, but yeah guys, that is what I got up to today. So yeah, I'm just chilling here for now because I want to get a bit of rest. Actually, I don't want to do anything. I just want to sit here and do absolutely nothing, and then I will get up around 5 and cook. But I'm probably just gonna make up, because honestly, the other, when was it? Yesterday was Friday. On Thursday night, I had made some meaty bones. So yeah, that's what they're gonna have, and then I just need to make pap for them, and that's about it. So today was actually a very productive day, if I may say so. It was a very productive day, and yeah guys, that is the update. That's what I wanted to tell. I just wanted to make sure we are all on the same page as to what is happening. So yeah guys, yeah. Guys, morning. It's a Tuesday morning. It is a Tuesday morning, and I am rushing off to my appointment. You guys remember I told you that I've got an appointment with my dermatologist. So yeah, that's where we're going. Um, I think the time is around five to eight, and my appointment is for 8 o'clock. I'm super late, but luckily Moria has a hole, guys. Let us quickly get into my outfit. I'm wearing this white slip-ons. Don't remember where I got them. Was it Jet or Woolies? But one of the two. I will just check and make sure. And then my set is from Exact, and because it is super cold and it's also wet, I'm gonna put on this coat just to layer up and be warm. So yeah, guys, this is my fit for the day. And then for the scent of the day, this is what I am wearing. This is what I'm wearing, guys. So yeah, we are done. We are done. I think just to be, let me put this in my bag. Just to be safe, guys, we are going to end off this vlog right here. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will definitely be seeing you again in my next video. Make sure that your notifications are turned on so you guys are notified every single time when I upload. Thank you so much for taking your time, your precious time at that, by watching this vlog. So yeah, guys, I will definitely be seeing you again in my next video.